Hello guys, I'll be able to use Google Sites for your portfolio. I'm going to give you some quick guidelines on how to use it. And these are the directions that I created for you. Okay. I added the instructions for how to use Google Sites. And I'm just going to follow these and show you how to do it very quickly. So you're going to go to your Drive. And you're going to go to New here, More, Google Sites. Okay, so this is what you guys are going to create your portfolio, and we're going to be able to create pages and subpages and so on. So you can go to themes, you can choose whatever version you want, and you can play with this as much as you want. I think you're going to be very familiar with it, so just play with it. The main thing is that your title page should be your name, and then make all the changes that you want. Okay, I'm gonna give it a name here too. Mrs. Cobo, period. Because that should be fine. Whatever name you want to put up there as well. On pages, you're going to add a new page, which is going to be about me. Another page is going to be credentials. Another one is going to be your philosophy of education. Another one is going to be in task standards. We're going to see all these together, and we're going to be working on assignments to complete all this. And then you can add others as you please, right? But these are the ones that are required for this course. Under these, you can add more subpages. Like here on credentials, you can create one that is just your resume. Another one could be, I don't know, trainings or certifications or things like that. Another one could be your cover letter. So as you see, I think it's very easy, and then you have all your tabs here. You're gonna be able to change it, and just make it as pretty as you want to, and then you hit publish. Your website could be, maybe try your first initial and your last name. If it's taken, then try your first initial for your first name, your second, or your first initial for your middle name, and then your last name, and so forth until you get it, okay? Hit publish. And then you can also hit unpublish if you want to remove it for some period. To be able to share with me or insert it in the assignment that we have in Canvas, you're going to click on here. This is the link. You copy the link, and then you will paste it in the Canvas assignment. And with that link, I can also go and paste it on a different tab. And this will be where your site is published and where all your subpages will be there. About me, and they should show up whatever you created. Credentials, you see the subpages there, your philosophy of education, and your standards. So I think it's pretty neat. So once you spend a little more time to make it prettier than this, I think they're gonna look great. Well, guys, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions with this.